Okay, if I understand correctly, this is the one you're having problems with, especially you were saying number 3 right there. If this isn't the right one, you were saying the third one on the third one. And so I just went number 1, 2, and there's the third one. So let's go through and see what we can do. We're going to plot a point at 3, -5. So 1, 2, 3, down to -5. And we're going to put a point right here. Now, that's because this is x, comma, y, just to make sure that you understand that part. Now, reflect the point from step 1 across the y-axis. So that means it's going to just cross over to here. This is the y-axis right here, and it's 1, 2, 3 away, so I'm going to go 1, 2, 3 the other side. So that's now the new point right there. Make sure you're following this. I suspect that's the one where you might have gotten stuck. You probably went across the x-axis, but I could be wrong. Now it wants to go right 6 and up 7. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So there's my new point right there. Now reflect the point from step 3 across the y-axis. Again, y-axis, so I go 1, 2, 3 to the y-axis, 1, 2, 3, and that's reflecting it over to the other side there. You just change the x value. When you reflect over the y-axis, you change the x value to positive, or negative, you change the sign on it. I forgot to put these locations here, but I mean you can see that. The first location was 3, -5, and then it was -3, 5, and then it was 3 and 2, and now reflecting the point across gave us -3, 2. So when you reflect over the y-axis, you change the sign on the x. If you reflect over the x-axis, you change the sign on the y. Now draw segments that connected the points in order that you plotted them. Okay, so we went over here, then we went up here, then we went over here, and that looks like a Z. So that's how you do that one. Let me know if that answers your question.